Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a video about my new HRH collection earrings, kind of unboxing video, and show you what they are like. And I bought these earrings about a week and a half ago, and I got these while, I ordered them just before I went away to Cyprus. And I've been back about a couple of days and they're already here. So the shipping was incredible. Now, I didn't even choose the priority shipping. I chose the normal shipping. It got here so fast. So this is the package that came. I just don't want to show you the date. So this is the package, and I'm just so over the moon with them. I've actually tried them on now. I'm not wearing them because I'm going to put them on camera with you guys. And they come packaged in this little, well, I've obviously unpacked it now, in this tissue paper, which is really dainty and cute. And these are the earrings. Now these, one's come off. Yeah, so these are the earrings. And these are the 14K gold filled bubble heart hoop earrings, and I got mine in the large, and here they are. There we go, that's better. And they're absolutely gorgeous. They're very lightweight. The little clasp here is so cute, and it just clicks here like this, if you can hear that. And they're just so beautifully made. And these are the earrings here. Now, Alex does a lot of, her jewellery now is just 14 karat gold filled, or sterling silver. And I love that transition of jewellery because obviously, you know, she's growing in her company and her materials are now getting better and more luxe, and I love that. And also owning 14 karat gold earrings is just the way forward. Because it doesn't tarnish, it doesn't get dirty. And there is an imprint here. I saw it, which shows that they are 14 karat, but I don't know where it is now. It's some sort of stamp which lets you know that they're 14K gold filled. So they're absolutely stunning. Here we go. Can I show you a bit better? It's really difficult to show you on camera. So I got the large here. So I'm just going to pop them on and show you how easy and simple it is. Can't find my hole. That's what she said. So here we go. And you can feel the back and align it with the back. Just click into place, which, there we go, that's clicked. And then the other one. There we go. So these are the earrings, so gorgeous, and I'm really not going to take them off because I've wanted these earrings for such a long time, and they're absolutely beautiful. I love how they make me feel. They have such a cool look and vibe, and really pretty and different, and I love that about Alex's line because it's very diverse and it's very cool, and there's a lot of amazing stuff on there. So I'm going to purchase a lot more. I want to buy her 14K gold chokers, and I've seen lots of bracelets. I just love Alex, and I love her line. You know this, I've made a couple of videos about her. I suggest anyone to check her website out. Her website is shop.hrh.co. And also I got these amazing AB pouches. Now I got an extra one because my last one actually broke, so I got given an extra one, which is really nice. The customer service is really exceptional and really nice. They treat you like a human being, and sorry, I'm thirsty. They just really do cater to you, and I love these. I love putting my cash in here, my money. Really love them. So there we have it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this HRH collection unboxing video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, check her channel out. I love her channel. Tell her that I've made a video. I'd love for her to I'd love for her to notice me. We do talk now and then on email or Instagram, and she's the most amazing person. I love her, adore her. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.